Ever wonder how you actually experience the world? The warmth of sunlight, the taste of a strawberry, the sound of music, none of it happens directly to you. Your body is your avatar, and your nervous system is the ultimate built-in VR kit, translating the outside world into your personal reality. Think of your body as a character in a vast video game. You're not just watching, you're inside the game, and your nervous system is the interface. Every sensation, thought, and emotion is a signal processed by the system. Without it, you'd be locked in darkness, unaware of the universe. But your nervous system isn't just a receiver, it's an active creator. It builds your reality, moment by moment, interpreting raw data through the lens of your experiences and beliefs. That's why two people can see the same event and walk away with totally different stories. Your reality is a custom simulation, rendered just for you. So, what we call reality is actually a grand neurological simulation, an electrochemical story inside your head. The world exists, but your experience of it is unique, a collaboration between the outside and your internal VR kit. Understanding this gives you more control over your experience than you might think. If you learn to tune your VR kit, you can change your world. The nervous system is your gateway to reality, and your power to shape it. The first step? Realize you're not just a passenger, you're the player, and you can upgrade your experience. The question is, will you take control of your VR kit, or let it run on autopilot? The choice is yours. Let's see how your senses build your world. Let's break down how your biological VR system works. It all starts with your senses, your body's cameras and microphones, photoreceptors in your eyes, mechanoreceptors in your skin, chemoreceptors on your tongue, all gather raw data from the environment. Light waves, sound waves, chemicals, temperature. On their own, they're meaningless. Your nervous system translates this data into experience. When light from a red apple hits your retina, it's just a wavelength. Your retina converts it into an electrical signal, which zips to your brain. Your brain, the ultimate graphics card, decodes millions of signals from all your senses, cross-referencing them with memories and learned associations. In a split second, meaningless data becomes a vivid, shiny apple. This process is so seamless we forget it's happening. We think we're seeing an apple, but we're experiencing a complex reconstruction presented by our internal VR system. The same goes for every sensation: the cool breeze, a loved one's voice, the taste of chocolate. Your entire reality is a high-fidelity simulation crafted by your nervous system. Every moment your brain is rendering your world. You're not just a passive observer, you're the creator of your own experience. Understanding this is the key to changing how you experience life. But what happens when the VR kit malfunctions? What happens when your VR kit gets overloaded? Chronic stress, anxiety, and burnout are signs your nervous system is stuck in fight or flight. Designed for short bursts of action, this mode isn't meant to run non-stop from daily stressors. When it does, your perception of reality distorts. Everything feels sharper, harsher, more threatening. Your brain scans for danger, filtering the world through fear and anxiety. The simulation turns into a horror game. Physically, stress hormones flood your body, causing tension, headaches, and exhaustion. You feel tired and wired, unable to rest, as your system presses the accelerator. Life becomes a blurry, stressful place, and joy gets lost in the noise. This isn't just being stressed, it's a malfunction of the system that creates your reality. The good news? Your VR kit can be repaired. You can reboot your system and restore clarity. Here's how. When your computer crashes, you reboot. Healing your nervous system works the same way. It's about shifting from fight or flight to rest and digest, the parasympathetic mode where true healing happens. In this state, your heart rate slows, breathing deepens, and your body repairs itself. Without enough time here, your body can't heal or recover. A calm nervous system is the foundation for mental clarity and emotional balance. Your brain's rational center comes back online, letting you respond with wisdom instead of fear. Any real healing, physical, emotional, or mental, starts with the nervous system. You can have the best doctors and diet, but if you're stuck in stress, healing is limited. Calming your system isn't ignoring problems, it's creating the best environment to face them. Reboot your operating system, and you'll navigate life with clarity and resilience. So, how do you do it? Ready to reboot? Your breath is the most powerful manual override. Slow, deep breathing tells your brain you're safe. Try box breathing. Inhale for 4, hold for 4, exhale for 4, hold for 4. Just a few cycles can shift your state dramatically. Movement is another tool. Gentle walking, stretching, or dancing helps your body process stress and return to balance. Don't underestimate rest. Quality sleep and moments of true downtime are essential maintenance for your VR kit. Rest isn't laziness. It's a biological imperative. Even 10 minutes of non-doing, just listening or staring out the window, helps your system reset. These simple practices defragment your mental hard drive and prepare you for what's next. Breath, movement, and rest. Your daily nervous system toolkit. Use them to recalibrate, anytime, anywhere. Your VR kit will thank you. But there's more. Let's talk about grounding. Here's how to anchor yourself in the now. Grounding techniques pull you out of racing thoughts and anchor you in the present. The 5-4-3-2-1 method is simple. Notice 5 things you see. 4, you feel. 3, you hear. 2, you smell. 1, you taste. This shifts your brain from worry to sensory experience, interrupting anxiety. Connecting with the earth, bare feet on grass or sand, can be incredibly calming, reminding you of your place in something vast and stable. Gratitude is another form of grounding. Listing 3 things you're grateful for each day retrains your brain to notice the good. These practices don't ignore life's challenges. They balance your internal scales. They recalibrate your VR kit to register beauty, kindness, and joy, not just threats. Grounding brings you back to your body, your senses, and the present moment. It's a reset button for your nervous system. Practice grounding daily and you'll notice a shift. You'll feel more present, more resilient, and more alive. The world becomes less overwhelming, more vibrant. Now let's see what happens when your nervous system is truly balanced. When you heal and balance your nervous system, your perception transforms. It's like upgrading to a high-definition VR kit. Everything becomes clearer, richer, more vibrant. Stress no longer clouds your experience. You see the world with new clarity. You become more resilient, able to handle challenges with grace and recover quickly. You're no longer a victim of your reactions. You're the calm pilot of your own ship. Relationships deepen as you connect with others from a place of safety and openness. Compassion and understanding flow more freely, enriching your life. A healthy nervous system unlocks joy, creativity, and purpose. You're fully present, savoring life's beauty and engaging with curiosity instead of fear. This is the difference between surviving and thriving. By caring for your nervous system, you're not just reducing stress, you're upgrading your reality. You get to experience life in the highest definition possible. The choice to thrive is in your hands.